Do you want to make unlimited amounts of money from your computer? Are you wondering how you can print money using ChatGPT? I mean, just look at this. These are people using ChatGPT right now to make money. Do you want to know how you can do the same? Look no further because I got you covered. In this video, I'll show you 5 ways you can make money online using ChatGPT. All of these methods have been proven and tested by me. Stick around to the end for my favorite ChatGPT method to make bank. Before we get into all of the methods, I want to announce that I have created a Discord server for my channel and for people like you that are interested in making money with AI. The first 100 people to join will be able to get an OG member role in the roles channel. You can join at discord.gg/AI accelerator. The link is in the description as well. I hope to see you there. Now, let's get into the video. The first method is to use ChatGPT to create a website. Websites are something you can sell and build for other people. Whether it's a landing page or an interactive app, you can use ChatGPT to help you build it. Watch my video. ChatGPT creates an entire website from scratch if you want to see how you can do it yourself. Making the website is the easy part. The hard part is selling it. You can create accounts on websites like Upwork and Fiverr to advertise your website building services. Once you get clients, use ChatGPT to build your website. If you start making money selling your websites, I recommend subscribing to ChatGPT Plus, because it gives you access to GPT-4, which has way better code generation. Following the same route, another way to make money with ChatGPT is to sell an AI model. You can use ChatGPT to code an AI model from scratch and train it. There are websites like modelplace.ai that allow you to sell your already trained models. If you want to see how you can build your own model, head on over to my video, ChatGPT creates an AI from scratch. In that video, I create a simple model that detects cats versus dogs, but you can create more complex models, especially with GPT-4. Some ideas for you are models that can detect parking spaces in a parking lot or remove backgrounds with one simple click. There are a lot of problems that can be solved with AI, and you can use ChatGPT to help you solve them. Use AI to create AI which makes money. Another way to make money with this method is to use your AI model for your own purpose. You can launch a simple SaaS, subscription as a service, that uses your model to process something or provide something to your customers. An example of that is Murph.ai. They have really good voice AI models and charge their customers a flat or subscription fee to generate voices with their service. You can do the same with pretty much any idea. The third way to make money with ChatGPT is to create product images, or just images in general. You can use ChatGPT along with Midjourney for this. After creating AI generated images, you can then sell these to stock photo companies like Shutterstock, or offer a service where you generate specific images for clients. With this method, you don't even need to directly sell your images. You can use it as an addition to something like dropshipping. If you have your own dropshipping business, you can use my method of generating product images to create amazing images that drive more sales. To learn how to do all this, watch my video, Create Insane Product Images with ChatGPT and Midjourney AI. In that video, I show you how to use ChatGPT to generate descriptive prompts that you can then use in Midjourney to generate images with nice backdrops and different settings. AI images have a ton of potential to make money in a plethora of ways. The fourth way is to actually replicate what ChatGPT is doing. So we know that ChatGPT is a chatbot, but what if we used it to create our own? You can create your own chatbot using OpenAI's API, and make your chatbot specific to a certain niche or problem. An example of this would be a tutoring chatbot or a chatbot for socialization. If you look at Snapchat, their new AI bot is using OpenAI's API, but it behaves differently than ChatGPT. This is because you can customize how your chatbot behaves. If you want to learn how to do that, watch my video, How to Create Your Own Chatbot with OpenAI's API, GPT-4. This video teaches you how to integrate their API, create a simple input text box, and get responses back. It also has a code template on GitHub which you can copy and use. To make money from this, you will need to advertise your business and website where you have the chatbot. You can then charge a monthly fee for users to use your chatbot as long as it covers the API costs. I'm currently doing this with my bot studymaster.ai, which you can visit on studymaster.ai/beta. The last way, and my current favorite way to make money with ChatGPT, is to create a Discord bot. Again, you can use ChatGPT to help you code it, but you can also integrate ChatGPT into your bot. The Discord bot marketplace is huge, and you can definitely get a piece of the pie. I have 2 videos on how to make Discord bots. The first one is called The Easy Way to Make a Discord Bot and Host It for Free. And then I also have a video on how to add ChatGPT to your Discord bot commands. To sell a Discord bot, you can either add a subscription to use your bot, to use extra features, Or you can create Discord bots for specific clients that will pay you for the completed bot. So like freelancing. If you look at a popular bot like Me6, they charge a monthly subscription which unlocks a ton of different features for your server. You can do the same. So that wraps it up. In this video, I give you 5 different ways of generating money using ChatGPT. Most of these ways were leaning towards the developer route, where you create a product or a service and sell it to customers. In future videos, I will be showing you other ways that don't involve coding, so make sure to subscribe for those. Also, if you haven't joined my Discord server, make sure to join that because I will have a bunch of special events, giveaways, exclusive content, and perks for members in the future. The link is in the description. Thanks for watching. Make sure to leave a comment, like the video, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.